All right, listen up. Pflugerville, Round Rock, Hutto, it is officially summer. So what is the latest on the local housing market? So this is Brandy Adkins, your real estate connection. And at the time of this recording, you may be wondering, is the housing market declining in Texas? Well, I am going to quickly break down the area by sales. Let's start with Pflugerville. On average, homes are selling in around 41 days. The median sales price of a home in Pflugerville, Texas was $411,000 last month, and that is down 18.6% since last year. The median sales price per square foot in Pflugerville is around $204 a square foot. Now, homes in Round Rock sell in about 51 days. Median sales price of a home in Round Rock was $446,000 last month, which is down 16.3% since this time last year. And the median sales price per square foot in Round Rock is $226 per square foot. Okay, homes in Hutto, they are selling in about 61 days. The median sales price of a home in Hutto was $382,000 last month, and that was down 9.48% since last year. And the median sales price per square foot in Hutto is $196 per square foot. While home sales declined 22% nationally, they fell only by about 15% in the region. This is very indicative of the strong economy in Central Texas. And now the Austin Board of Realtors says that this is still a market that is seeing lots of activity, just not at record-setting paces, and that is to be expected given the broader economic trends. So with this constant shift in the market, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next move in real estate. So connect with me and my team today. You can get more information and we can strategize the next best step for you and your home sale. This is Brandy Adkins and I am with Adkins Real Estate Group with LPT Realty, and we want you to love where you live because we know there is no place like home.